The major averages drifted near session lows in the final hour of trading Friday after rallying for much of the day in response to a better-than-expected jobs report showing a surprise decline in the unemployment rate last month and better-than-expected jobs creation in the latter part of the summer. The excitement lost steam as the financial sector turned red and Apple shares declined. Investors next week will start to shift their focus with the kickoff of the earnings season when Alcoa reports on Tuesday. Thomson Reuters says that third-quarter earnings are expected to drop 2.4% over the third quarter of last year, and that worse than normal results from the earnings preseason suggest further earnings disappointments may be ahead. Companies that will report next week include Yum! Brands in addition to Alcoa on Tuesday, Costco on Wednesday, and JP Morgan and Wells Fargo on Friday. After today's good jobs data, next week's U.S. economic calendar will be relatively light. European developments next week will include a European finance ministers meeting on Monday to talk about the debt crisis and Eurozone industrial production figures. In China, there's expected to be a steady volume of data, including the HSBC Services PMI numbers earlier in the week. Meanwhile, the market is expected to continue reflecting upon last month's policy moves.